Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Study with Flow. Guys, in this video we are going to see multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. But before proceeding further to the video, guys, make sure to do subscribe this channel if you haven't yet, and also press the notification bell so that you will never miss any update from this channel, right? So let's see what are the job opportunities and from which company and for which batch. So this is the job opportunities by Sutherlands. So Sutherlands is hiring for software engineer, right? So here is the company description, you can check it out, and here is the job description, you can see. Okay, let's see qualifications. So our most successful candidates will have academic in BE, BTech in CSIT, BSc in computers, and BCA, MC or other bachelor's or master's degree in computing or IT. Preferred functional domain, healthcare IT or IT services delivery domain, experience in relevant year of experience in similar role, and communication skills, have strong verbal and written communication skills, be able to communicate in a clear, constructive and professional manner. Personality is good time management skills, team player, and be proactive in developing trust and professional rapport with employees and team members. Okay, so this is all about these qualifications. So here is the additional information. All your information will be kept confidential according to EEO guidelines. So from here you can apply for this job role. I will put the link in the description box. Okay, so do check. So moving on to the next is by LTI, and this is hiring for they didn't disclose the role. Okay, so here is the application form, you can fill out this form and apply for this job, and the year of passing are 2021 to 2023, right? So from here you can see, okay, 2021, 2022 and 2023, right? 3 batches can apply in this job role. I will put the link in the description box, so do check and apply. So moving on to the next opportunity is by CDK Global. So CDK Global is hiring. Okay, so qualifications are BCom in computers or BSc in computers or BCA. Graduation is 2021 and 2022 year. Location is Hyderabad, and salary up to 4 lakhs, right? So here is the job summary, you can check it out, and job description is project is front end operations, job title is associate implementation support report. Okay, job type permanent, location Hyderabad, work mode work from office, employment type is permanent, salary up to 4 LPA, and shift 24/5, right? Rotational shift rahegi, and eligibility criteria is qualifications BSc, BCom, BCA, computers or equivalent education, and freshers with good communication skills. Graduation year of passing 2021 and 2022. Year of experience is 0 to 1 year of experience, right? So essential responsibilities are: the individual's primary responsibility is to deliver, install, support tasks to North American partners using relevant tools and applications. Ensure that product installs are done effectively, keeping quality parameters intact all time without escalations and rework, and so you can check it out. And some skills required are: most demonstrative fluency in good command on the English language, right? And must possess a passion for technology with the ability to be self-respected, highly motivated, and be able to set priorities with minimal supervision. Experience working as a part of onshore or offshore, and must be willing to have daily contact with US based team members is required. Ability to use multiple software applications, time management, multitasking, prioritization skills, and performance track record should be good in the last tenure, right? So from here you can apply for this job role. I will put the link in the description box, so do check and apply. Okay, moving on to the next. So next is by IQVR. So IQVR is hiring for junior programmer role. So here is the job description. We are looking for software developer to work on our flagship product, to develop new functionalities, unit test and deliver it, right? In this role you should be able to work independently with little supervision. You should have excellent organization and problem solving skills. If you also have hands-on experience in software development and agile methodologies, we would like to meet you, right? Your goal will be develop high quality software that is aligned with user needs and business goals. So here are some key responsibilities: identify, prioritize and execute tasks in the software development lifecycle, develop functionalities by producing clean and efficient code, and automate tasks through appropriate tools and scripting. Review your peers' code and ensure the code meets the coding standards and good performance in coding. Perform validation and verification testing. Collaborate with internal teams and vendors to fix and improve products. document development phases and monitor systems, ensure software is up to date with latest technologies, right? So desired candidate profile is BE BTech in computer science or information technology, MC or related, good understanding of languages like Angular JS and JavaScript, basic knowledge of relational databases like SQL Server, Oracle and PostgreSQL and MySQL, familiarity with various operating systems like Linux, Mac and operating system Windows, keen on learning new technologies and have a penchant for experimenting with codes to find optimal outputs, fast learner and have the ability to grasp concepts and employ them when required, detail oriented and always deliver quality work, good team player, analytical mind and problem solving aptitude, ability to work independently and excellent organizational and leadership skills. So from here you can apply for this job role. I will put the link in the description box, so do check and apply as soon as possible if you are eligible. Okay, so this is all about this video. I hope all the jobs are clear to you, all the batches are clear to you. So we will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.